Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. Simple spiral on this one. Don't worry, folks, we have a lot more of these larger size shirts that we plan to do some really cool designs on since we have so much real estate on them. We're going to try out some cool stuff that you can only do on the larger shirts, because there's a lot of designs that we want to do that just aren't conducive to a small shirt. Banded on up.
Let's see.
That's a little piece tucked in there. To the dyeing rack?
To the dyeing rack.
Let's go. It's super cold out here, people. We are not cold weather people, but we are toughing it out for a few minutes out here just to whip up a couple for you. We actually have something in the works to where we will no longer have to tie-dye in the noisy, cold outside, but it'll be a few weeks before you see that. But once again, making big moves. Do a tricolor with the 3. You know what I mean? The yellow, or are you doing? Oh yeah, okay, never mind. Do whatever you want.
I'm doing glacier blue.
Glacier blue.
And Cayman Isle green.
Cayman Isle green. Looking nice so far.
And then maybe some granny apple.
Granny apple. Fine choice. Granny apple's definitely one of the better greens we have. I don't know, I kind of like all of our greens. All of our common greens that we use, the custom one that we mix, the granny apple and the lime pop are our predominant green selection.
Turquoise.
Unless you count Cayman Isle as well. Some turquoise. Nice little palette of color.
So then, okay, so granny apple will also go over here.
Yep.
And turquoise would go over here.
Yep.
We're getting that backside good.
Yep. Full coverage already.
Good.
Looking nice.
And then our Cayman Isle green.
What about the glacier?
Oh wait. Oh wait, yeah. Okay, yeah. Good catch, that is.
We need the glacier too.
It is in there.
We love the great glacier.
We do. That's one of Daddy's favorites.
It is. And I'm not even a big fan of baby blue colors, but that one you just like. I am a fan of blue. Blue is definitely my favorite. One my favorite shirts we've done so far is the like 5 blue spiral. I'm planning a 6 blue coming up, and I might even have another blue on the way. So we'll have to see.
We're trying to expand our palette.
Yep. Got some more colors coming. We have more garments. We have all sorts of stuff. But we don't want to do any of that today just because it's so cold. We don't have time to do any. Like, we're trying to, no offense, but we're trying to get in and get out today. It is freezing out here. It's warmer than it has been, but it's still really cold.
I know.
The wind.
It's been freezing this week here.
Yeah, the temperature's not even that bad. It's probably just in like the high 40s, but the wind makes it just terrible. Especially when earlier this week it was 78 degrees, so that makes it kind of rough. When it goes from like 80 to 50, it's rough, and then throw the intense wind on top of it, yeah. So all told on this one, we have Cayman Isle green, glacier blue, turquoise, granny apple. What a color selection. We ready for the drying rack?
Yeah, let me get our drip tray.
Oh, we got a temporary drip tray. Our drip tray's out of commission at the moment, so just use the lid. I guess we're just gonna use the lid from the soda ash soak to the drying rack.
To the drying rack.
Bottom shelf where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.